Number 8, how do you know the story is written in third-person point of view? Is it A, the word hometown, B, the word school, or C, the word she? Number 8, how do you know this story is written in third-person point of view? Is it A, the word hometown, B, the word school, or C, the word she? Number A, B, or C? All right, let's go ahead and go over this question. So 8, how do you know the story is written in third-person point of view? Well, third-person point of view is a person who is not in the book is telling it. So we look for words like he, she, or they. So do you see the word he, she, or they as one of the choices? We do. And answer C. Hometown is not a good example of point of view, and school is not a good example of point of view. The word she is a good example of third-person point of view. So letter C. Number 9, based on what you read in the story, what was May's behavior like? A, greedy, B, lazy, or C, smart and eager? Okay, so number 9. Based on what you read in the story, what was May's behavior like? A, greedy, B, lazy, or C, smart and eager? All right, if you need more time, just pause the video, but let's talk about this. Based on what you read in the story, what was May's behavior like? That's a character trait question. So we're talking about May's behavior, right? Her personality. How does she act? Was she a greedy person? No, I don't remember reading anything saying that she was greedy or acted like she was greedy. Was she lazy? I don't remember reading anything that said that she was lazy or acted lazy. Was she smart and eager? She was smart. She was eager. She really wanted to do something, and what did she do? She kept studying and studying until she was able to do what she could, which was become an astronaut. Okay, so the correct choice is letter C. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little review over Module 8. If you need to go back to any of the stories, go back. If you need to go back to answer any of the questions, go back and answer them. All right.